Activating your DoorDash Red Card is a straightforward process that requires a few simple steps. To begin, you need to have a DoorDash account and have received your Red Card in the mail. The Red Card is a physical card that DoorDash sends to its Dashers, which can be used to pay for orders at participating restaurants. First, log into your DoorDash account on the website or through the mobile app. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Account Settings section, where you will find the Red Card Activation option. Click on this option to start the activation process. Next, you will be prompted to enter the card number and expiration date found on your Red Card. Make sure to enter this information correctly, as it is required to activate the card. You may also be asked to provide additional identification information, such as your name and address, to verify your identity. After entering the required information, review the terms and conditions of the Red Card program. This includes understanding the fees associated with using the card, as well as the rules for earning and redeeming rewards. Once you have reviewed the terms and conditions, check the box to agree to them and click the Activate button. Your Red Card is now activated and ready to use. You can use it to pay for orders at participating restaurants and earn rewards and benefits as a Dasher. To use the card, simply select it as the payment method when you place an order, and the funds will be deducted from your account. It is essential to keep your Red Card secure and only use it for authorized transactions. If you lose your card or suspect that it has been stolen, report it to DoorDash immediately to prevent unauthorized use. By following these steps and using your Red Card responsibly, you can take advantage of the benefits and rewards offered by the DoorDash Red Card program.